Hi guys, hope you're doing well. A bit late to come up with this market analysis, but I thought, okay, why not to share a video because the levels are actually looking quite good for Bank Nifty. If you come to the hourly time frame in Bank Nifty, you can see that there is a clear resistance at 33,738 level. So this level is going to be an important level because from here we can either break or we can make it upwards, but over here you can see that the way it has gone up in a very, you might say, not in a very clear manner. It tried to go up, then it broke the lower the higher low pattern. This is the lowest low, this is the higher high, this is the higher low, this is the higher high, and we have broken the higher low again to make another lower low. So then it had constantly gone up, then it had gone down, it had made lower lows and lower highs, and now it has again gone up. But if you can see over here, there is a clear trend that is going upwards. So this level is going to be absolutely important, 33,770. Let's come to the normal time frame, the Ganda time frame. Okay, and it's gonna shift to 5 minutes over here, and you can see that this is the point where it can actually take a bounce. So round about that level, 33,800, 807 and 33,871. Now if it breaks this and if there's a huge gap up, obviously the sentiments are not that positive. I can't find anything in the news which surprises me that there would be something positive. Okay, but yeah, overall it's looking bearish, so we can still aim for the short trade at that level. Obviously you have to wait for the level. If there's a huge gap up, wait for a high and then take a contra trade, that is buy in the money puts if you're an option buyer, and I know you're an option buyer because we are all very poor. Okay, so coming on to Nifty right now, very similar pattern, although Nifty has a much clearer level over here, and there's a gap too pending from 16,189 to round about 15,919 level. So there's a gap of more than 150 points which can be filled if the market goes bullish, but this would be a clear resistance, 15,910 level, which it has to break. Let's see what happens. Bank Nifty and Nifty are not following each other that nicely, because if one is weak the other tends to be strong, and it has been observed in the past few days. All right, coming on to a few stock, guys. One stock has been rallying for a long time, and this was actually its all-time high, 282. Now it has broken that level. Let's see at what level it opens. If it opens at a huge gap up, wait for a retracement and then go for a buy, because we are aiming for 300 levels over here. It's like a good level because you can see that it has gone past the previous high, which was this one. Okay, so let's see what happens. Don't buy as soon as there's a gap up opening, wait for it, and if there's a huge gap up, definitely don't buy. If there's a small gap up, then you can buy because the momentum should continue from here onwards. Okay, coming on to Sipla, a clear double bottom type of pattern you can see over here, and since it has crossed this mark, which is 950, we can go for a buy, and moreover it has gone down a bit from 1000 level. I would not say that Nifty stocks have gone down by a lot, because as compared to the investing opportunities in Nifty, you are getting better investment opportunities in stocks abroad, like US stocks, for example Apple, Meta. And coming to that, because it's very easy to invest in those stocks as well. Currently Nasdaq, S&P, they are down by around about 30%, so that's a good buy, that's a good discount. Okay, so coming on to, yeah, Infosys would be one more stock which you can aim, because it had clearly gone down, broken this with a false break over here. I won't call this a false break, although it had given a good level from 418 to 372. Then it had made a higher high pattern. Right now it's trading at this level. Every time it comes to this level, it comes down. This is the time when it actually can break this level and go up, so we can get a good buy from this level onwards. Okay, Infosys can be a good stock. Again, it has come down significantly, and this stock would be preferred uh, better than I believe Cipla, because we can see a good amount of discount over here. Okay, coming on to some other stocks, and these are the stocks where you are getting the investment opportunity. First of all, let us go to Tesla. 681. Okay, it did make a high of 1151, so that's a huge discount again in Tesla. Now it has formed a nice bottom over here, so if this is not breaking and it's trying to go up in this manner, we can definitely go for the buy tomorrow itself, and you can hold this for the long term because Tesla is going nowhere. It's a good stock. Apple, again, from 172, oh, sorry, 178 levels, which was the last week high. It has gone down significantly. Now it's trying to come up, so this can actually be a good buy again in Apple. Okay, so $138 you can buy it, and these stocks are all available in the Ind app, and there are other platforms as well, but obviously you need to be invested in the good stocks, and these are the blue chip companies where you can gain a lot. Okay, and then we have Meta has also gone down significantly. If you go and check from near about more than 248 levels, it has gone down to 160 levels, and this level is a good level for Meta. You can obviously buy it over here and hold it for the long term. Okay, so before I go, guys, I would like to say that when I was going through the news and all the fundamentals, I could see a very interesting news. Where is that? So there was a girl from Jammu and Kashmir. Yep, this is the one. And this is a really nice inspirational thing that, where is that? Yep, this is the one. So this girl, in short, from Jammu, started her own business. She's 29, so it's never too late to start, even if you are 30. Don't worry, her dad was ill, so she had to leave her job and come back to her hometown, which is Jammu and Kashmir, and take care of her dad. But she wanted to do something better, and she had taken up the Ayurvedic treatment and also converted that into a business. And not only that, guys, when Ridhima's father was diagnosed with liver something, she is a 29-year-old engineer who left her job. You can see all the news. It's actually in Mint News. You can read the entire article. Basically, she uh, had not only improved my father's condition, improved significantly through the Ayurvedic medicine which she tried to develop, and she tried to help her dad and also build a business at the same time, which is a really nice motivational thing. And if you are ever down, or if your investments are down, if you feel that you're going through a lot, then I would suggest that go through these stories, guys. You would be enlightened, and it's never too late to start. Always, um, it's the right time when you start. Okay, so I hope you like this video and you have enjoyed it. Give it a like and subscribe, and I'll meet you next time tomorrow, perhaps with a live trade. Let's see if we can catch the morning momentum. The morning momentum is always good. Okay, take care, bye.